All right, quick guide to basically, if you have a fan issue on a Legion Pro 7, you might have to remove the whole thermal module, which is that piece right there, and thermal paste. That's liquid metal. So liquid metal is on the CPU side. GPU side has thermal paste. So there's your liquid metal, and it's pulled up all over the CPU area. That's not good. Thermal paste is over there. It's easy to remove, as you'll see in a second. Just use a Q-tip and basically wipe it off. All right, so it's coming. There we go. So basically wipe it off and it's clean. Now the hard part is the liquid metal. Getting the liquid metal off, you're going to need some alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol, 91% or higher, and Q-tips. You got to be very careful. You cannot drip any of that liquid metal on any of those components. So I would place paper towels all around that area and slowly you're going to use about 40 Q-tips to get all that off. And as you'll see here in a minute, it'll be clean. You'll see, actually, there's a quick video of me wiping it slowly with a Q-tip. And there, yeah, it's about $110 off eBay for that thermal module. So here I am. I had to do this with one hand. That's why it was real quick. And there you go, clean. So I'm gonna repaste it. It's what I use. I use some Corsair TM30 thermal paste. As you can see, it's on there now. That was a quick little transition. So no more liquid metal on my CPU, and then I went into Lenovo after I put everything back together. Fans working, as you can go into make a custom profile for fans. The left one was at 0 prior to this. Now it's at full. So if you go into custom, you can set your fan for max just to test your fans. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's intermediate. Just be careful with liquid metal, but it's not too hard. All right. Click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.